Alofa lava. My name is Aotearoa Moi Awasaulele. I am a New Zealand-born Samoan woman and I hail from the villages of Sawhatoa and Whalese'elalefanga. I grew up in Wainuiomata, but I am originally from Otara, South Auckland. And a little bit about my educational background. So I completed my tertiary education at Victoria University and have since graduated with a Master of Arts by thesis, which I explored the lived experiences of Pacific women with depression. So I am a mental health worker and I am also the newly appointed community connector here at Pacific Health Services Hutt Valley. What I love and enjoy about my role, both roles, is the opportunity to connect, to serve and to help our Pacific families, hearing their stories, because quite often our Pacific people suffer in silence, whether it be physical, mentally or financially. So my role is to ensure that they receive the help that they need in order to, I guess, reduce or eliminate their anxieties and their fears and worries that which have been brought upon by many everyday life stresses and of course the ongoing impact of COVID-19. So I believe that if their anxieties and their fears are resolved, it gives our Pacific people a way better chance of establishing a good, healthy sense of well-being and of course a sense of hope.